I remember going here sledding all the time. You see that little like hill? I went sledding here all the time. I started here. Went zoom, zoom, zoom all the way there. Whew. What a nice day. It's nice and snowy. Nobody wants to be outside. It's so quiet. Nobody's doing anything. My butt's actually gonna freeze. My butt's actually gonna freeze to death. Bro, just look at this. Look at this, man. Alright, so I guess we're just gonna sit on it. Oh my days! Dude. Oh man. Dude, I forgot about the handle and then I brought gloves though for this reason. I'm nice and toasty. Alright, so it isn't just me yapping about something that doesn't really matter. Like, I'm actually gonna try to like say something in this video so it's actually like somewhat helpful so you could get something valuable out of this video. Alright, I guess something that I really have been seeing lately a lot in my Discord and a lot with a bunch of people, and I've experienced so many times in my life, is that like so many people just don't know what to do with their time. They feel like they have so much time to do stuff. They're kind of bored. They're kind of like lazy-ish, I guess. They have so many moments in their life where, and yeah, that's what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about why like so many people say they have like so much time and they don't really know what to do. And you know, I could just give the advice like, oh, just find something to do some chores, do this around your house, play some sports, but like they probably already know that, and like, you know, it's honestly boring. No one's really trying to do that. So I would say, instead of it being like a negative thing that you like have so much time to do, you don't know what to do with your life, I feel like you should just use that as a positive. Turn that into a good thing. Like, it's good that you have time to do stuff. It's good that you have time to do things in your life that you don't have much to do. That's a good thing. Because I remember literally yesterday night, I was thinking about like what it would be like to run some like crazy business, like some successful business where I have to do this and this and this and this, and I have to do this right, like the first task I have to do in the morning, like right when I wake up. I can't even shower. The first thing I have to do when I wake up is like check my business, see how the bank's doing, see how all this systems and stuff is doing in my life. And I was just thinking about that. And right now when I wake up, like, I honestly don't do a lot of crazy things. I just sit, think about my life, I journal a little bit, I take a shower, you know, do all that stuff. And then I just get some ideas for YouTube, go outside, you know, just do stuff that, like, you know, it's helpful and all, but like, it's not, I'm not busy my whole entire day. I'm not busy every single day of my life. I'm constantly doing things. Like, I actually have so much free time in my life. So yeah, I can say that like I don't have a lot of moments where I'm really doing stuff. But I feel like we should use that as an advantage. Because when I was thinking about like when I was running that crazy successful business and stuff, I was just thinking like there's not that much stuff where I can just do pretty much nothing. I can't like journal for an hour. I can't go on a walk for 2 hours when I have some crazy successful business, when I'm managing so many things and stuff. Like, yeah, I might outsource it. Yeah, bro, what? All right. Anyways, yeah, I might like outsource stuff and all that, but I'll just have so much more to think about and worry about in my life, I guess. So it's good that we don't have to do a lot of things. It's good that we don't have to, you know, constantly do stuff, and we actually have time in our life. It's such a good thing, honestly. Then what should you actually do with your time, though? Like, yeah, it might be, yeah, what great advice. Like, you know, just be grateful that your life isn't like more successful so you have less stuff to do. So then with the free time that you have, you can just put that into other areas in your life. You can work out more, you can go on a walk more, you can, you know, journal, you can make some crazy YouTube or something. Like, you can do whatever you want, really. You have the free time to do it, so you can. You don't have that much things going on in your life, so that's perfect. It's a perfect opportunity to do something else in your life. I feel like with the free time I've been having recently, I just been trying to do more experiences, get more things out of my days. Like, yeah, I have a lot of free time, but I'm using that free time wisely. I'm not just going on my phone. I'm not just scrolling on some TikTok app. I'm not just playing video games all the time. I'm actually doing other things in my life, you know? Like, I'm going on a walk. I'm trying to talk to people. I'm meeting up with people after school to play soccer. I'm playing soccer myself in the backyard of my house. I'm doing other things in my life, you know? So I'm not just like complaining that I have nothing to do in my life and then just going on shorts or something. Like I'm actually trying to live my life more, you know? And when you live your life more, when you do stuff with the time that you actually have, you feel like you do a lot more in your life. You feel like your life isn't boring. You feel like you're not lazy. You feel like you're actually accomplishing things in your life, I feel like. So, yeah, be fine with not having a lot to do in your life, because there are going to be days where you have so much time, you're so busy, like there's literally nothing to squeeze in. You have school, you have this after school, you have to do this with your mom, you have to do this, like just a million things that you have to do, but you don't have to do it right now. That's what I thought when I imagined running some like crazy business thing. Like I just, you miss out on just being able to do whatever you want when you're so successful and stuff. Like I feel like you just miss out on being able to enjoy the moments where you were broke, you were like not sure what to do with your life, you were like desperate to find any meaning in life and stuff. So yeah, just use that as an advantage right now, because you're going to be right now where you are right now. Yourself 5 years later is going to be looking back at you right now and so appreciative of what you did, so grateful and reminiscing over the other periods in life, you know. And the last thing I want to leave you on is think about what can you do to make the days count? What can you do to give every day some type of value in your life? Make every day really count. Whether it's by making YouTube videos like I'm doing, whether it's, you know, trying this business, whether it's going out here, trying this, talking to this one person, going out for this thing, asking this person out, like, you know, doing a bunch of experiences in your life. That's how you make every day count. That's how you fill up your days with things to do, I guess. And yeah, just be grateful for where you are right now, because you're going to be reminiscing over your times. I've reminisced over my times a year ago when I was watching a bunch of like how to make money videos and stuff, watching like just bunch of YouTube videos. I remember actually I was playing Fortnite. I got myself a clip of it. I remember I was playing Fortnite and in the background I was watching some self-improvement YouTuber. I was watching Iman Gaji Hamza about how to make money and stuff. It was just such a funny time, and I reminisce over it so many times, watching Andrew Tate and stuff.
A dark age that last time spanned 5 centuries long. That's more than 500 years of shaming men, destroying their ambition, preventing the progress of...
And at that time I was so like confused, like I have so much free time but I don't know what to do. So I just played video games and stuff, but I just wish I did more things in my life, you know? Like I actually try to do this thing, experience this. What would happen if I do this? What would happen if I do this? Oh, should I try this, you know? So try to really experience things in your life. Do more things. Live your life more. And as a result, when you live your life more and, you know, get all those experiences, you're going to be happier with your life. You're going to feel more fulfilled, and your life is going to feel like it has more meaning. And then the work you do, you're going to be more credible, you're going to be more knowledgeable. Like imagine if I just made YouTube videos like how to improve your life and stuff, and then I was just sitting at home all day not doing anything. I never talked to anyone outside, I never went outside, I never lived my life. That wouldn't make sense, right? So live your life more. Not even if you're trying to make a YouTube channel, but live your life more so you have that knowledge, have that experience, and then that's how you, I feel like, use the time you have to your advantage. So that's pretty much all I gotta say. Hope you enjoyed this weather. Hope you enjoyed the vibe of this video. And yeah, I'm trying to, alright there. Boom, I love this weather, man. It's so nice. It's so nice being here, so yeah. I almost forgot to say, if you want to join my Discord community, if you want to talk to me more, if you want to hop on a call, want me to DM you, just chat with other people like-minded, join my like-minded club in the link in the description. We can talk, we can chat, and we can have a great time. So yeah, I'll see you there. Peace. I can't end the video because I have these gloves on. I'll do it with my nose.